Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see this special type of grid line. It is a golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So this golden spiral should disappear. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the photo, video mode, portrait mode, whatever. You will have to take a look at these options and find the settings. So they should appear in each mode. Let me just change the screen, turn the screen. And here we've got the settings. All we have to do right here is to simply scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's simply tap on it and tap on it to confirm. As you can see, nothing happened. We are still on the settings, but let's go back to the camera. As you can see, the grid line, which I've applied before, simply disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all camera settings to the defaults. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your OPPO Pad Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.